Yeah. So now I have integrated all the modules like fire, smoke, weapon, violence. All four models are integrated. Security guard application, correct? With the credential, and we do have admin panel where we can see the home page, add user, security guard, and we can check the alerts. What are the alerts that has been detected? Okay. So as you can see, as of as of now, there are certain alerts are there where it is showing the type, time, stamp, description, and camera type. Okay. Similarly, we do have a software which is basically we are considering it as a drone footage, correct? In the previous demo, I have explained you all this information right in detail. Please watch those previous video. Okay. So we do have three different sources: image, video, and camera. Okay, so let's try with the image one first. Let me go to image section, and I have collected some images. Okay, just like we do have some building photo with having certain fires, right? Similarly, let me go for other one. Everything is integrated in a single model. Okay, in a single code. Okay, so you no need to run multiple models and load. Okay, it will load automatically. It is configurable, and this one is weapon one. Okay, it is uh, showing it is Gender's vehicle. So it got delayed just because of dataset. So I have tried with huge number of dataset, but there was few was working well and few was not. But I have sent you previously dataset links and all, right. That is working very up to accurately. Okay, not much in 100%, but yeah, as per other resources, it is working very nice. Okay, because we are trying to detect with the real time, so real time is very complicated thing. Okay, so as you can see, it is right now detecting everything. Okay, similarly, suppose let me pass some violence video. Okay, so it will detect as a violence. Red is nothing. See, whenever you find red in a box, that means it is a dangerous weapon or a violence. Okay, or fire or smoke, that is dangerous thing. Okay, based on the detection. Okay, so similarly, we can try with the webcam as well. Okay, let me try to refresh the alert box. Okay, as you can see, I have refreshed the alert, so I got the alerts. Like, see, we have detected weapon two times, right? Fire one time, violence detected. Right, we have tried with five different images, now four different images, so four different alerts are there, right? Similarly, we can try with the camera. In the camera, it will not immediately send the alert. Okay, it will try to continuously monitor the prediction, and based on existing data and prediction, if system found कि yeah, it is actually violence or a weapon detected in bunch of frames, then it will send the alert. Okay, so as of now there is nothing. Okay, so let me show the fire or something in from my mobile phone. And so as you can see, if I am trying to show the camera fire from camera phone, so it is giving detected. Okay, and similarly, let me show some violence kind of images, so like fighting images or something. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, it is detecting, right? So it is working as per the my expectation, working very well. Just you need to show the images and all. But make sure if you want very good accuracy, then you can show download images or from the data set. Right now I am just searching on Google and just showing you the random images. So in the random images or real time images, it might sometimes give false result. But if you try with the dataset images, now whatever I will be sharing with you, if you try with those images, dataset images, yeah, then it will give a very nice accuracy. Okay, for the demonstration you can use that. Okay, similarly, let me show you some weapons over like that. Okay, so as you can see, it is detecting weapon and also. So see, as of now, I'm showing the image alerts, but it is not sending me alert. If I refresh this panel now, so you won't be able to get any alerts, right? Why? Because I have added certain validation key. It should not send immediate alert. Let me show the weapon for certain time. Okay, then it will send alert. I have basically added some criteria. Key it should be detect 80 times. 80 times mean 80-20 ratio in 2-3 seconds. Well, like that, I have added certain validation and configurable. So as you can see, I have shown the weapon for certain time, like for 2 to 3 seconds continuously. So then it send the alert, right? As you can see, it sended the alert. Okay, weapon detected in building. Okay. So if I go now back and if I refresh it, okay. So as you can see, one more item has been added, right? So this way we have done the complete. So I have tried with your ESR GAN model, okay, and let me show you the thing, okay. So my suggestion will be do not integrate the ESR GAN model. If you want, I can integrate. I don't have a issue. Okay, but the thing is, your model is see already we are loading three different models like fire, violence, weapons. Okay, already it's very heavy in processing because it continuously making the prediction with the different models. Okay, three different model, and if you run ESR GAN model as well, then it will get slow because this ESR GAN model is very slow. Okay, and also it is not giving accuracy clear picture. Okay, just let me show you with the demo. I don't have issue. I have run your system. If you want, I can just uh, uh, copy the code and paste it into our project. Okay, that is not a big deal. But yeah, it will slow down your process. Okay, and also it is not giving the images correct images. Okay, just let me show you the sample one. See, this one is one of the image. Okay, weapon images is this one. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.